Hey everybody, Neil here from Cedarville Car Clinic. So one of the processes that we do when we diagnose some vehicles that's got leaks that are weird and evap codes that you will hear about is doing a smoke test. On this one, right behind me, you can see the smoke coming out. This client has got a problem where it says gas cap is left off and a large evap leak, which means there's a leak somewhere. Now the client had already put a brand new gas cap on, but it didn't fix his problem. So we're doing a smoke test. And what this is showing us here, we've got this smoke that goes through the evap system, and this is fuel vapor that would escape from your car that you can't see but could potentially smell. And it's what we've got here, if you can look up here, a little hole in this pipe, which is a gas vent pipe or evap system pipe, and that hole is creating the check engine light, and that's what's creating the problem on this car. So unfortunately we've got to take the fuel tank down to replace this pipe because it's a big long pipe. We'll get that sealed and then this problem will go away. Ta-ra for now.